let's chat. Let's chat. All right. Here's my thing with church websites, and this is where I think um, a a lot of people waste time. You don't need a website page for everything. You just don't. And I think that the people that think they need one is because it's like they're trying to give equal importance to everything. And I get it. I get it. I respect it. I don't disagree with it. But you've got to always take into consideration your audience. Who is your audience? And what are you trying to communicate? And I think too often the communication is come out, to do this, to do that, to do that, to do that, to do all these things. But the reality is you don't need to communicate all that. You need to communicate like one thing. And that one thing depends, it varies on, what the event is. But yeah, we don't need web pages for everything. But I am over here. I'm creating a kind of like this. This is all templated. This is not, none of this is real. It's not templated because I'm building it. But it's what's the word? Like these events aren't necessarily happening. It's just filler events. So I'm going to create this event, and that's going to actually undo my page. And look, there it goes. I don't think we need events for everything. Like I really don't. I'm actually I did some good work right here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put it right in here. Why make a lot work? Did I put it in a container? I think I put it in a container. Main section. Container, yep. End of heading. Boom. 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 Now I just contextualize it a little bit. Now this is going to update it everywhere, but that's okay for now. Collection list. Did I put a limit on the collection item? It didn't. Okay. Yeah, that's what I want it to be. I want it to be 1, 2, 3. That's the sweet spot. So now, I'll make a comment to myself. Click men's event. Did I not link it? Hold on. Link block. Choose a collection page, current event. So now when I click it, there it goes. Okay. It's just loading forever. So boom. I'm going to set this button to conditional visibility. Register link is set. Boom and boom. Now what we need to do is, among other things, we need to create a breadcrumb back to the page before. If I just want to go back to see all events, I don't have that option right now. So what I'm going to remind myself how I set this one up. And I'm going to do a text block. I'm going to drag it to the top. I'm going to create like a faux breadcrumb trail thing. All events. And then I think I can do like I'll write that in a link. And I have to Webflow fix this crap. I don't want my links auto stylized. Does anyone? All events. I'm going to make that bold. I'll make that 18 maybe. Yeah, that seems about right. I am going to get rid of this because I don't need the padding. All events. And then I need some like arrow. Do I have an arrow in my assets? Hey, thanks for following, Bay. Appreciate you. I do have an arrow in my assets. Can I flip it? I think I can do this. I'll take the link block, make it a block. Hold on. Block, flex, horizontal. Where's the image? There's the image. I don't recommend inverting colors because it takes up unnecessary space in your in your CSS, which can slow load times. But for now, I'm going to do it. And I'm also going to flip it. How do I do this? I don't think I can flip it there. Stop it. 2D, 3D. I just rotate it, right? Well. Scale. No. How do I flip it? I guess I could just go download one real quick. All right. Take this over. All right. Where'd it go? All right. Let's do black. All right. I won't say I'm nitpicky when it comes to iconography, but I know what I like and I know what I don't like. Fortunately, there's a lot of things I don't like, so maybe I am nitpicky. All right, where are my downloads? All right, let's add this to that. Boom. Replace image. Oh, come on. Corrupt file. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? I don't know if I like that one. Sorry guys, I'm just scrolling through arrows. I'm just gonna. There we go. A little SVG. That's what I need. I'm gonna flip the orientation, bring that there. Now that's all in the link block. This can be a little smaller. There we go. I don't love it, but it works. It freaking works. All right, there we go. So now there is a, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, that's not connected. Okay, now I need to create a blog page. So I'm gonna create a new page. Blogs are great for SEO, guys. If you're not doing a blog in 2024, rethink it. Especially if you want to get like organic traffic, do a blog. So for the blog, I'm not just going to create a page. Like, I don't want it to be static. What I want to do is I want to create it dynamic. So if I want to feature a blog on the homepage, I click a button and it features and unfeatures itself after a certain amount of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a collection list called Captain's Blog. Or is it Chaplain? I think it's Chaplain. Yeah, it's Chaplain. Makes more sense. Chaplin's blog. Okay, so you need the name of the blog, you need that, and then rich text. This is the blog text. Right in a, now these are comments that are going to my client. Right in a, oops, spelled that wrong. Separate doc and copy/paste into this field. That field is required to save. So the way this is going to work is the client is going to see one side of things, and that's because I built it this way. So I'm going to add a blog image. Lord, I love this. They added all that stuff. Okay, so now I can set drag and drop. Man, I keep double clicking that. minimum image width. It's going to be 1080p. 1080 pixels. Minimum image height 1920. Maximum. There's one. Maybe I should do. I could do 720, but this is fine. There's one size that I want for this image. This is a new feature. They didn't used to have this. This is great. Field is required. You need a blog. Add field. What else? Learn more. Register. Link to other aspect of the website. Not required because don't know if they'll need it. Date/time. Yes. Time of writing. This is required. I don't want a time picker. What else should blogs have? Switch. Let's make it featured on the home page. Help text. Only select this if you want the blog to be on the home page. Boom. Save field. Option. Don't need option. File. Reference. All right. I don't think I need to multi-reference it yet. There's still tomorrow. Okay. So now all I have to do is create collection. Boom. So now it's going to auto populate for me just some templated things so I can, I want to save changes. Save them. So I can populate them for me. Create sample items. Boom. Yeah. A blog for a church. We'll just call it that. I know it's not specifically that, but Webflow. That's the program I'm using. I also do, see, look at this. Man, that's great. I mean, that's not a blog length, but it's fine. Yep. 10, 20. Great. Love it. I also do social media stuff. So I'll be doing some of that in the stream at one point. How do I want to start this? I want to drag my, how do I want to do a blog for a church? I think what I want to do, usually I come into this with like a little bit more, preparation. And I have my own designs already designed before I develop it. Right now I'm designing and developing at the same time, which I don't recommend. But that being said, it has its benefits because I kind of get to go on the fly and I like it. So it's a blog. So I need to read text. I need to know what it's about. I'm creating this is the blog hub. And then it's going to break down into individual blogs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create do I want to do a section? Let's see what they have over here. Well, okay. All right. I think I want to do image, info, snippet. Image, info. No, I don't know if I want to do snippets. Should I do a snippet? Feature on the homepage. I think I should do a snippet. Yeah. We're going to do text. Featured snippet. Single line. We'll do multiple line just so it looks nicer. Save field. Oh, let me add some client text. We'll say a brief introduction to the blog that appears on the main blog page. All right. I'll put that right under blog text, feature snippet, save collection. And now, is this ChatGPT that did this? It wasn't me that did that. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do sections, main section. padding. Create classes, guys. If you're not creating classes, you are shooting yourself in the foot. Padding. All right. Collection list first, or collection. Chaplin's blogs. I only want this to, I want it to be one item at the top. One. And I'm going to add a quick stack to this. There we go. Now it's coming together. All right. Do I want to be conventional or do I want to be different? I'll be conventional. Blog image. Boom. Don't know what a watch has to do with this blog, but okay. It's going to be, let's say it's heading 2. I'm not doing SEO right now. And then we're going to do text block. It's going to be a featured snippet. Boom. And then we're going to do a button. Maybe I shouldn't do a button. Maybe I should just do a read more, because it's going to populate underneath, so I don't need like 50,000 buttons. So I'm going to do read more. Oh, sorry. I messed up my thing. My bad. Read more. We're just going to wrap that in a link. Remove the styling. Because if I wanted styling, I would add styling. I wouldn't just do it myself. Right? Right. Link block. That is going to go to the current page. But okay. Still more to do. So I'm going to take this main section with the padding. But before I do that, I'm actually going to, yeah, let's do this. Container. Put the collection list inside a container. That's better. And then, yeah. I want to separate this. I don't want that. Let's do bottom to top. What? That's crazy what it just did. I don't want that. I don't love it, but I'll get there. I'll get there to love it. All right, let's do. Hold on, I'm gonna do something else. Make sure things are working on my stream while I'm up here, because this was kind of the whole point of this. No. Shush. Sorry, guys. All right, I should have analytics. No. Content. No. Roles manager. Where did that go? Boom. Okay. I need to make sure I'm my timers are working appropriately. Streaming tools, overlays, chat. All right. No ads to play. All right, I'm gonna hop back over. So anyways, creating blog. This is bare bones, but this is proof of concept. I'm going to take the container. I'm going to max the width out. I don't want to do that. I'm going to do it like, oh my Lord. Undo. 1200 pixels should be good. No, see, I really like things concise because I've got to do this to every breakpoint. So I'm going to create, do I want to keep it in the container or do I want to do a different one? Let's see. I want to do, so main blog, right? And then everything that follows after it. So, okay. I know it says none right now, but let me connect it. Let's create a collection of products. I don't want to create a collection of products. What is happening? Can I? Okay. Oh, because I tried to put it inside itself, which is generally considered a bad idea. So because this was my first one, now I need to set this one so it doesn't duplicate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to limit items. I'm going to show 100, but I'm going to start at 2. So I don't get a whole thing. And then I'm going to change this to be 3 deep. Do I want 3 deep? Yeah. I'll do a div block. We're going to class it blog content. And then I'm going to make it flex, build it down. We'll do image. Okay. Boom. And then I'm going to do these images that got generated are crazy. Heading. So this was heading 2. This is going to be heading 3. That's going to be connected to blog name. Boom. I'm going to change the sizing because good Lord, what is that? We'll do 1.45. Yeah, I think I can go in. 1? Yeah. All right. I don't like the 20 heading at the top. Let's do 10. Better. We will wrap this. Collection list wrapper. I think we'll wrap this. I think. I'll leave it for now because I still have more to do. Inside the blog, okay, I've got the main image. I've got the title. I'm going to do a text block. And this is, again, going to be the featured snippet. Now, it didn't show up because I don't have it set for anybody else. So give me a second. You guys aren't even watching this because my stream is on the wrong thing. So okay. All right. I'm learning, guys. Okay. So this is what I'm creating. And then I need to add, I've got the featured snippet. I've got, I'll do this again. I'm going to copy and paste what I just made here. Drop it in the blog content. Drop it in the blog content. Okay. And that link is going to go to the current blog. Okay. Now, Chapman's blog. I'm just going to add the featured snippet to all of it so I can see it. Yeah, I know. You know what, guys? ChatGPT is crazy. Okay. Are we going to? Okay. Great. Look at that. It's all there. I do think I should change the read more button to be their color scheme, right? That makes sense. I don't want that. Don't want 4. I could do 4, but I don't know how many blogs are going to be here. I want to wrap it. That's what I want. I want to wrap that sucker. More size options. Auto. Yeah, auto's fine. I don't care. Why can't I wrap it? Float and clear. I just do flex. No. This is annoying. I hate when it does this. because there's really no reason it should do it. It should just work. Collection list 2. Maybe. How many do I want to do? Do I want to do 1, 2? I think 3 is sufficient. I think I'm right on that. Let's add that gap. Just wrap, my guy. Overflow. No. Scrolling. Yeah, right. Don't make me do a grid. I hate grids, man. They really are terrible. There's so many things I'd rather be doing than creating a grid. Collection item. Collection list. What happens if I create a grid right here? Huh? What are you going to do? I want to split up the list into a grid, not none. All right, I don't want areas 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Sure, give me all the rows. I don't care about the rows. All right, this is why I hate grids. In what world did I tell you to do it like that? Thank you for the random space that you provided. There's a way to do this, guys, but I am blanking on it. Is it my blog content that's causing an issue? No? Maybe. Could be. Maybe it's the padding. I don't need 10 padding on the side, that's for sure. Oh, man. No. I really don't know why it's doing this. Like, oh, let me describe the issue to you guys. I'm trying to get this thing right here. This thing over. I'm just going to do 4. Okay. I feel like there should probably be more here, right? Time of writing, right? Text block. Add that to the top. Time of writing. Thank you. Yeah. Boom. I'm going to add a padding or margin. Keep doing that. Margin to that. Don't need 10 there. I'll do 10 up. 5. Why is that? Okay, we'll do 5 here too. Got to group it together a little bit. And then from here, then I can do 10. That's better. Okay. And I have an asset for this. Boom. Love it when a plan comes together. Yeah. Wrap that in a div block. Put that flex. Go that way. Where's that image? Image in the div block. Ain't what? Who in the world told you to stretch out? Put the or so help me. What is this? No. Why are we stretching? Just be normal. Goes back there. Add a gap, right? Boom. Boom. Block content. Rename this class to time of writing. Add a 10 margin because I just got rid of it. Boom. Time of writing. I need a arrow. Link block. Perfect. Drop an image inside. Replace the image with Look at that. See, I love it when a plan comes together. I'm going to add 10 margin to that. Separate a little bit, but now I want the blog to be, I want the height to be even. So you see how it's kind of like separated right here. I want the Y to be spaced. Oh, that's not how I do that. I've got blog content max height is going to be 100% of its container. So when I do that and I do the collection, oh, sorry, not that. The collection item needs to be 100% of its container. There we go. That should work. Oh, it's because I didn't do minimum height. It should be 100%. Minimum height. No. Why is this giving me an issue? You'd think that would work. Makes sense that it would work. Sorry guys, I'm locked into this. I want to go down. 1, 2. Why is this? Okay. This always does this crap, man. I'll tell you what though. I have decided I want a separate section. Call it main again. Main section. I am going to add a separate container to do that. So stay with me here. This collection wrapper can go right there. And I am going to set the max container width to be 65% of the page. No, I'm not. 75? I think that should be good. Yeah, that's better. There's a negative something somewhere. Is it the list? Yep. Called it. Don't like that. Don't know why it does that. Don't need it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now for body. All right. Here's what I can do. I need some color. So I've got the main white one. I think I'm going to make this. Did I add a color? I did, man. Go me. Blog content. Let's make it white. Which means I got to invert this image. Now it's white. Same with this one. Filters, invert. That red's not going to work anymore. I'm just going to go back to white. Never mind. Now I'm going to go back to white. All right. Man, I love it. I love this. When I build websites, man, I have a great time doing it. I really do. Because when I can create a site that just, like, it works, man, it's so exciting. So now I'm going to add, oh, I didn't have to make that white, did I? How do I want to do this? Here's what I'm going to do. y'all, blog content. Turn you back to black. I should redo all that. Yeah. Color. It's the collection wrapper that I want to be. There we go. I don't think I necessarily need top. Yeah, I more so want it there. Blog content. I'm going to make that white. There we go. Boom. I'm going to add some padding to this for sure. I'm not switching input languages. Windows. Get out of here. How about 10 around, maybe? Then I'm going to add a cert. Yeah, I think that's the move. Now, I need my collection item to represent, dude. I want my height to be 100%, dog. Like, what is happening that it's not? Did I add a margin somewhere? Blog content, 100%, dude. It's got to be something stupid somewhere. It's making me mad. Is it you? So far. Okay. That's fine. I'm just going to set a height, I guess. What makes sense? 60 VH? No, not enough. Oh, that was 30. That's even worse. 45. We'll do 40. 35. Yeah. Okay. That works. Importance of forgiveness. Now I'm going to do I want to do a, what? I think, yeah. That looks good. Maybe. I don't know. But okay. Now, add that footer. Boom. Now it looks like a web page. This is not, I'm not sold on this. I think what I want to do is I need some way to say like Chaplin's blog, right? I don't want it to be blocky and everything, but what I want to do is, I got to create the individual page for this. So I'm going to add my nav bar. Then I'm going to add my section. No, not the mains. Main section. Combo class padding. Now, here's the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to add a div block. Oh, I'm going to add a container with an image. Now, my image is going to be the big kahuna. I don't know why this just went out, but the point is for it to go in. All right. Big kahuna, main image, heading. This is my heading 1, right? This is name, importance of forgiveness. Boom. Now I will add, I'm going to go back to what I just did because I don't want to redo it because I just did it. Take this and I'm going to go to Chapman's block. Yes. Boom. Rich text. Let's go to rich text. Drop it. This is the blog text. Boom. Why does it keep hopping out of that? See, but you can. This is how you can tell it's auto created because I don't do titles twice. What would be the point, you know? Save. Faith in challenging times. So this is why custom websites take time. You're not just plugging it in and making it work. You are quite literally starting with a blank page. So blogs will typically be longer. I do want to make sure, yeah, that's right. Great. It's the font that they use. Now, footer. So the cool thing about footers is that I can change it here and it changes everywhere. But there's my blog. So now go back to this, which I need to change. Chaplin's blog. Save. I go back to this. Look at that. Look at God. Navigating grief. Boom. What? I didn't even do that. But there it is. Chaplin's blog. Oh, I gotta link that. Chaplin's. Man. So now I need another breadcrumb trail. So I'm gonna go back to my events page where I did it. Individual events page. Reuse the work, guys. You gotta reuse the work. Sermons, Chaplin's blog, container. Boom. No. Man, I love it when a plan comes together. This is great. So that was our blog. Now, if you remember, I added a switch to it to say, hey, I want to feature this on the homepage. So this is our homepage. Shout out Pastor Jim. I'm going to add this to the bottom. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to add it to the bottom. We'll see if I keep it there. Main section. Main section. Add a container. I used to not like containers. Love them now. And then I'm going to add a collection list. None. Chaplin's blogs. But I'm going to limit show one and only if the featured on the homepage switch is on. That is the main thing, because I am in complete control over this. So it's a feature. How do I want to feature something? It needs to be bigger. It needs to be in the middle. I'm center this while I'm here. Let me drink my cold coffee. Good soup. I think I'm going to do check out our latest blog post. I think I can conditionally make this visible, right? Hold on. How would I do this? Yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's just the latest blog post. Maybe it's not even the featured. I think that's what I'll do. I think I'll do check out the latest blog post. And then it becomes kind of a staple of the page. So I'm still going to limit, but I'm going to show one. I'm going to get rid of the conditional visibility. And then I'm going to do something that says, hey, check out our blog post. That's probably heading 4, to be honest. Latest blog post. Image. 1, 2, 3. If it's a blog, maybe I'll just do. I could just repeat it, you know? Like, why not? I could just take this. We'll see how it looks over there. We'll take this. We'll go to home. I'll drop it in the container. Not great. Don't love it. Too much padding. It needs to be. Hold on. No background. Yeah. I want to center that. I'm going to make this bigger. 26. It's bold. Check out our latest blog post. Padding. Again. I think I need padding, but not that much padding. Latest blog post. 20. I gotta find a better way to feature this. But the point of the matter is it will be featured on the website. So, yeah. Maybe I should do color, white, color. I'll keep it what it is for now. Add some padding to this. Now that I see it. Yikes. There we go. More events. This should go to the events page. I'm new. That's a page that doesn't exist yet. TBH. Chapman's blog. Events. All right. All right. I'm happy with this for now. There's a lot of things I'm going to change and update, but the point is I put this on the wrong page. Get rid of that. That's funny. I need it over here, which I don't even have this linked. There's a lot of things I'm going to change, right? I mean, that's just what's going to happen. But it is a good jumping off point as I continue to work on it, and I'm going to refine it. I want to be tried by fire, purified. I'm going to add a margin to that. Boom. There's going to be a lot of things I change, which kind of comes with the territory, especially when I'm kind of designing and developing at the same time. But I'm happy with it so far. I'm going to take this, maybe make it bigger. No, I can't make it bigger because my quick stack. Purified. Yeah. There we go. I'm pretty happy with this. I am. I'm going to change this to the color. But I actually am pretty happy with the way it's coming together. It definitely needs some work. I still have to mobily optimize everything. But it's coming together pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way it's turning out. So I think that's actually going to be it for me today. This is a quick stream, but I need to get some work done. So I figured I'd hop on, test some things out, make sure things were working. But I'm going to, yeah, that's kind of it, guys. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for chilling. I'll catch y'all later.